Hello everybody, Hellyson here. In this class, we're gonna make a Christmas recipe. So guys, the ingredients for this recipe are 125 grams of unsalted butter, 1 egg, a bit of salt, 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of wheat flour. The preparation mode is very simple. Let's put the wheat flour, the sugar, a bit of salt, the butter, and finally the egg in a container. Mix it all up. If you prefer, use your hands too. Wait for the dough to rest for about 1 hour. In a clear place, put the dough and stretch it. Use a cup or a rolling pin. With the dough stretched, but not too thin, cut at the shape you prefer and place in a greased baking tray. Place in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees, heated for 10 minutes. And here we have the final result, and I hope you enjoy it.